Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make Ankara rope necklace. So we'll be using this Ankara fabric. This is gum stay. We'll be using Velcro. We'll be using tape and scissors. So for the necklace strip, we'll be using length 30, and the width is 3 inches. I have 4 pieces of Ankara fabric here, same length 30 and width 3 inches. Then for the choker, I measured my round neck. My round neck was 14 inches. Then I added 2 inches. This is 14. Then I added 2 inches for sewing allowance. That's why I added 16. So when you want to measure your own, when you want to make your own, measure your round neck to get whatever you are going to use for your measurement. Then I just cut out this interfacing. I want to iron this Ankara fabric to this interfacing. I will fold half an inch on this side and also fold half an inch on this side. I will fold together on their self like this. So for the strip of the necklace too, you are still going to fold half an inch on this side, half an inch on this side, and fold it together on themselves like this. So I'm going to iron this first strip and I'm going to iron this other one as well. So guys, this is the 4 strip. I have folded half inch, and I folded it on themselves. I did the same for the 4 of them. Then the one that is going to stay on our neck, I ironed interfacing and I also folded it. I folded this part, and the 4 of them I'll stitch it straight down. So guys, this is the stitch. I've gone ahead and stitch. I stitched the 4 pieces of Ankara. I also stitch this. So for the neck, fold it into two equal parts to get the middle. You can mark it with chalk or pen. So we place this way, this middle part. Then pick one of the strip. I will measure 20 inches. Mark where this 20 inches is. This is where we'll start from. So you, from that midpoint now, you keep your strip inside and use pin to pin it. So on that 20 inches I marked, this is it. So on the 20 inches I marked, you cut it off. Then you place this just beside this other one like this. Then also pin this. So now we'll take the second strip. This is where I stitch. This is the next side. The place I stitch is the place I'll be facing outside now. So you put it directly beside this first one and pin. Then bring it down. Space. Then you can also cut this off. I'll put it directly beside this other one. I'll pin it. This is the third strip. Now keep this directly beside this one and pin. Then bring it down. There's space between them at the down part. There's space there. When you get it, you can cut off this excess. Also pin it. Then this is the last strip, number 4. You can see the space between them. Then you can also cut this off and put it beside the other one. So I have 4 strips here. You can make your own 3 strips or even 4 or 5. You can fill it up to this point. That is your strip. This is what it looks like. So I will go and stitch. I'll stitch from this edge down till this edge. So guys, after stitching, this is what it looks like. So now we'll fix. I'm using Velcro. This is Velcro for the next side. I'll fix one here. Then the other one here. So I'll go and stitch it on the sewing machine. I will just stitch it on the side, square like that, and I will also stitch this. Or you can use UHU to gum it, or even glue gun to gum it, but I want to stitch. So guys, I have stitched the Velcro. This is 1.5 inches Velcro. So you can wear it either ways. You can wear it like this or turn it, and you can still turn it to the side. Anyhow you want to wear it. So guys, this is the finish of our Ankara necklace.